Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a photo, remove the background color, adjust the photo, select the stock, adjust the color red, duplicate the photo, select the color filter, change the color of photo, select another color, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.